Alright, so now we've got a CAD image and we want to create a sective with worshippers inside, assuming that this is a mosque. Or I can do a sective in any building and just give the activity of the people. Having that this looks similar to what I was resulting here. So what I will do is that I will drag and drop my image here, and I'm gonna copy this prompt. And basically the prompt says, make an editorial photographic ultra realistic 3D rendering, cut sective, cut sective showing worshippers inside. Let's see what ChatGPT can give us now. All right, so this is what we've got. And this is also really cool and really interesting, and I love it, but this is not what I'm looking for. One thing, guys, you need to consider when dealing with ChatGPT is in Flux, for example, it had the option for us to match or change the input of the rendering. But in ChatGPT, it suggested itself that this rendering should look like this, which is not what we're looking for. First, the result is not what we're looking for. And second, it hasn't preserved. You see, every time it's giving us a different ratio. And maybe this is good, maybe this is not for us. So just in case, we need to be specific about the ratio that we want ChatGPT to render the image with. So now it has gave us interior of the Hagia Sophia Mosque in Turkey, because we started the whole conversation about this, So if I want to have the sective in isolation of what I've already done, then I suggest that we do a new chat, and from this new chat I can do this CAD, and I can Control C and Control V my prompt and just generate the prompt and see what we get out of this. Again, I love the interior option that it has gave me, and it saved me a lot of time, to render this. And usually I need to look for people that are worshipping either 3D model, or I can look them online, and then I need to arrange them. So it saved me tons of time already. But in our case now, we want just the sective of the rendering. So I've done a new conversation to do it, and I'll wait for it to finish. After this, if I don't like the aspect ratio, I can also change this. Perfect. This is what I've got now, and I'm gonna download it, and it is the same as the sective. So as I told you guys, whenever we have it as a different conversation, then it will give us the result that we're looking for. So let me refresh, and this is what I have, and I can even enhance it further. But easily, if I'm an architecture student, I can put this as a sective and just have the lines darkened, and there you go, it's a rendered sective. Usually I need to do this as a 3D model and then cut it to be able to achieve a sective, and it's not even rendered, then I need to render it. So you guys can imagine how long it would take. So I hope you guys benefit from this tutorial. See you guys in the next ones.